Myself, Mrs. Subi Basil. Topic: Rheumatoid arthritis. It is a chronic systematic autoimmune connective tissue disorder which causes symmetrical inflammation of the synovial tissue of joints and surrounding tissue characterized by destruction and proliferation of synovial membrane resulting in joint destruction, ankylosis and deformity. What is rheumatoid arthritis? It is an immune system disorder and it causes symmetrical inflammation of the synovial tissue of joints and the surrounding tissue characterized by destruction and proliferation of the synovial membrane, and that will result in joint destruction, ankylosis, that means abnormal stiffening and immobility of the joint, and deformity. Etiology and risk factors. First, unknown. Second, an inflammatory reaction in joints and tendon sheaths. Third, infection. Fourth, hormonal changes. Fifth, autoimmune response affects synovial membrane articular cartilage destruction. That means the autoimmune response will affect the synovial membrane articular cartilage destruction. Sixth, the appearance of rheumatoid factors in the blood. That means rheumatoid factor present in the blood. 7. Genetic factors. 8. Women are more likely to develop than men. 9th, family history. Clinical manifestation. First, early morning stiffness. Second, swelling in the small joints of the hands and feet. Third, sleep difficulties. Fourth, joints may lose their range of motion. Fifth, chest pain when taking breath. Sixth, inflammation of blood vessel. Seven, ulnar deviation of fingers. Ulnar deviation of fingers you can see in the next PPT. 8. Muscular atrophy around the affected joints. That means muscle waste because of lack of immobility. 9. Low grade fever. 10th, lymphadenopathy. That means because of bacterial or viral infection the glands may become enlarged. 11th, tendon, warm and swollen joints. 12th, reduced mobility and flexibility of joints. This is the picture of a rheumatoid arthritis. In this picture we can see the ulnar deviation, swan neck deformity. That means the joint is near to the fingertip. Swan is a bird. Okay. So the joint is look like its neck. That's why we are saying swan neck deformity. This is the difference between healthy joint and rheumatoid arthritis joint. We can see in the picture of the rheumatoid arthritis joint inflammation of synovial tissue. Diagnosis. First, blood count. Second, serum autoantibodies. Third, X-ray. Fourth, synovial fluid. Fifth, arthroscopic examination. Sixth, C-reactive protein test. Seventh, joint ultrasound. Eighth, MRI. Medical management. In that, first, pharmacological therapy. In that, first, anti-rheumatic drugs, example hydroxychloroquine, leflunomide. Second, NSAIDs. Third, corticosteroids. Fourth, immunosuppressants. Second, Non-pharmacological therapy, in that first rest, second exercise, third physical therapy. For physical therapy we can do heat and cold application. Fourth, nutrition and dietary therapy. Surgical management. First, total joint replacement. Second, tendon repair. Nursing management. First, monitor level of pain and duration. That means assess level of pain and duration. Second, position the patient comfortably. Provide comfortable position. Third, teach the use of heat and cold application. That means to teach the patient how to use heat and cold application. Fourth, advise the patient to balance period of activity with rest. Advise the patient to take rest in between the activity. Fifth, take frequent rest period during day. That means advise the patient to take rest during daytime frequently. Sixth, advise regular physical activities. That means to advise the patient for regular physical activities. 7. Use orthopedic assistive devices. That means to use also orthopedic assistive devices, in that cane, walker, etc. Health teaching. What all things included in health education? First, exercise. In that, to teach about the physical activities. Second, get enough rest. Third, apply heat or cold application. Fourth, use orthopedic assistive devices. In that, walkers, cane, crutches, etc. Fifth, omega-3 fatty acid antioxidants diet. For omega-3, to teach the patient to take nuts, seeds, seafood, etc. For antioxidant food, onion, garlic, grapes, mangoes, apricot, carrot, tea, seafood, etc. Complications. First, osteoporosis. What is osteoporosis? What is happening? In this condition, the bone becomes weak and brittle. Second, dry eyes and mouth. Third, infection. Fourth, carpal tunnel syndrome. What is carpal tunnel syndrome? It is a numbness and tingling sensation in hand and arm caused by pinched nerve in the wrist. What is pinched nerve? When we can say, when too much pressure comes in the nerve in the wrist, that time we can say pinched nerve. Fifth, heart problem. Sixth, lung disease. Seventh, arteriosclerosis. That means the fatty deposition in the artery walls.